俺を見てくれ。地獄の底で。
Don't be rude. You're acting like we've never met. Call me Toya. After all, it's the name you and Mom gave me.
Animal, I am a cannibal. I eat boys up.
Yeah, I know, my face is pretty disgusting now. But it's still surprising my own family didn't recognize me. It's honestly kinda crappy. Or maybe it's just depressing, you know? As a kid, I didn't know why I existed. I'd cling to Natsu, bawling my eyes out. But you didn't know that, did you? I'm glad you were raised to be a nice boy. Don't worry about me. I'm not sure I've ever felt better. Look at that face. You may be his little masterpiece, but you're about to be killed by his greatest failure. See how broken he is? It's too good! You sound upset. So what's with the smile, you lunatic? It's not possible for me to cry. My tear ducts are burned shut. Come and dance with me in hell, won't you? Well, speak up, Dad!